U.S. Customs and Border Protection officers working at the Paso del Norte International Crossing seizing 354 pounds of meth over the weekend. According to CBP, the 31-year-old Mexican woman was allegedly waiting in line to cross when a drug-sniffing dog alerted CBP officers. That's when officers found 161 foil-wrapped bundles that you see right there on your screen that look like silver bars hidden beneath the truck bed. The driver was then arrested.